Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. If it's your first time here, welcome. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, join the family, hit the notification bell so you get all the alerts when I upload new videos. So this is my birthday vlog. I hope you guys enjoy it. Let's jump right into this video. So there was a mix-up with the location of the hotel, so we ended up having to take an Uber to get directly to the hotel. Hey guys, so we're gonna be here for the weekend. Let me show you guys the room. You walk in, there's like a coffee station here, closet, refrigerator, can you guys see that amazing view? Do you guys see that amazing view? So here's the bathroom. My sister Donna and I were staying here for the weekend. Here's the bathroom. And I don't even, yeah, I still got my mask on. I'm being so rude. Welcome to the vlog. Today's Friday, November 13th, and it's your girl's birthday. And we are here at the hotel. This is the Hilton. So here are the rooms. We got well, here's the room. We got double beds, right? We already put our bags over here. Television, seating area. I want to take some bomb pictures. But do you guys see this amazing freaking view? Okay, this view is sick. Sick, sick, sick. Sick view. I can't wait till the sun goes down and we can really see how it looks at night. Really, really nice view. Okay, guys, look at my cake. It made it on the train. I'm gonna list the name of the bakery, and it's red velvet. It just says happy birthday, Keisha. Black sparkles. Camera's not really doing it justice. Got a little messed up on the side, but it's all good. Can't wait to dive into this red velvet and this amazing view, y'all. But you sure that's where we want to order from?
All right. Well,
How you feel? Yeah.
I know Brazilian food is good, but
Okay.
it'd be nice if we could just walk outside and see, like, what is around.
You can look on the map, but I don't think there's anything much around. Yeah, it's not bad at all. I hope it tastes good because I'm starving. I haven't eaten all day. And I think because I haven't eaten, everything is going to taste good. So right here, I'm just in the hallway waiting for the elevator, and I wanted to take some pics. I'm about to go get my DoorDash order. Hey guys, so my makeup is done. I'm about to start getting ready. I'm gonna be taking some pictures. My hair is really big, but I'm not even gonna try to mess with that right now. I'm just gonna leave it alone. So yeah. here with Donna, and we're just gonna do this quick. Hey guys, so I'm just coming to close the vlog out. I had and I'm still having an amazing birthday. We went to Starbucks, drank it all. We're just having a nice, amazing time, chill. I recorded a couple content videos for you guys, so look out for those. My skin looks so cute, makeup looks amazing. So yeah, just gonna say good night, gonna relax for the rest of the night, go ahead and take my makeup off, this beautiful beat off, take a shower, and then I'm just gonna lounge in bed and chill, watch some Netflix with my sister and chill. And that's it for the rest of the night. I wish we could have like gone out or did something, but you guys know it's COVID times and we can't really do any of that right now. This right here is a stretch, but we're here for the weekend, so we're gonna make the absolute best of it. And we also ordered dinner. I didn't record it, but we got lamb chops, mashed potatoes, and potato salad. Everything is gone, but this is the let me show you guys the company, the name of the company, the restaurant. This is the name of the restaurant that we got the lamb chops from, and we used DoorDash for the order. And y'all, they forgot our drinks, but I called back and the manager of the restaurant was nice enough to go ahead and drive over here himself and bring us the drinks, and he brought us double the drinks for our troubles. I love good customer service, you know. So yeah, I've been having a great night, guys. I've been seeing all your comments on IG and YouTube. Definitely want to say thank you guys so much for all the birthday love. You're making your girl feel so special. Each and every person that reached out to me for my birthday, sent a text, called, DM'd me. My phone is still going off. I just want to say thank you guys so much. I truly appreciate it. It's the end of today's birthday vlog. Okay, we got the rest of that cake in the refrigerator. My little brother and my nephew are gonna enjoy it. I just had one little slice because why not? It's your birthday, you know, you gotta eat some cake. So yeah, so that's it for this vlog, and I'll see you guys tomorrow or the day after. I'm gonna be in New York for a while. At least for the rest of the weekend. We'll be in here at the hotel, and then I'll see what else we get into before I leave. Today's Friday the 13th of November, and I don't go back to work until next Thursday, so I don't technically have to fly back until Wednesday, but I think I'm gonna fly back either Monday or Tuesday. We check out of the hotel on Sunday, so I'll see what we do. But yeah, thank you guys for rocking with me.
All who did not know me when I done, they gon' know the name. Million people coming down, dancing to a song.